Your cameras record everything, but you still don't know what's happening. Cameras monitor factory floors, hospital corridors, bank branches, campuses, and public spaces. Yet most organizations remain reactive. Incidents are reviewed after they occur. Teams depend on manual CCTV monitoring that was never designed to scale. The footage exists, the intelligence does not. What enterprises are looking for is a straightforward solution that delivers fewer incidents, faster response, and proof of compliance, along with visibility without constant screen watching. Mikshi AI is an enterprise-grade AI video intelligence platform. It works with existing CCTV systems to deliver real-time insights for safety, security, and operations without replacing cameras. Mikshi AI supports both on-premise and cloud deployments, allowing enterprises to choose what best fits their security and compliance needs. Mikshi AI helps organizations stop incidents before they escalate. It identifies safety gear and uniform violations, unauthorized zone entry, unsafe human-machine proximity, and patient falls. The emphasis is prevention, not post-incident investigation. Mikshi AI strengthens security by detecting intrusions, vandalism, unauthorized access, and after-hours activity as it forms. This is not about creating alarm. It is about preparedness and timely response. Beyond safety and security, Mikshi AI turns video into operational clarity, attendance without friction, staff presence, queue and dwell visibility, asset movement and workflow insights. These insights directly support productivity, cost control, and measurable outcomes. Mikshi AI is a Mantra brand. Mantra is a trusted name in biometric identification and digital identity systems, with technologies deployed at national scale, including Aadhaar. Mikshi AI brings that same security-first engineering and large-scale system experience into AI video intelligence. Mikshi AI helps enterprises understand what's happening without manually watching multiple screens. Your cameras are watching. Mikshi makes them think.